Hello everyone, peace of the Lord with everybody. I saw a video about a Muslim is trying to prove that the Quran saying that the earth is rounded. And the proof is simple, is this verse. This is Surah 55 verse 17. He is the Lord of the two east and the two west. And they said that's according to science there is two east and two west. By the way, there is no two east, there is no two west, because simply there is no east and no west in any way. West, the west of direction, and the east is something we see, but it's not real. Because the sunset, this is how it's look for us, but there is no sunset. And according to Quran, the sun do set in the dirty mud, in the water. Okay, it doesn't go and keep moving, because the Quran say that the sun will sit in a station, and that station is the dirty water. But now I will show you from different way how I can prove that Muslims, they are so poor in the way they think. They, sometimes I don't like to insult people, but honestly, they are brainwashed big time. Now, if we go with them and we agree that the earth, according to Quran, according to this verse, is rounded, okay? How we can explain many surahs in the Quran saying that the earth is a carpet and it's not rounded? So, if this verse in here, this one in here, saying the earth is rounded, and there is a 5, 6, 7 verses, whatever verses in the Quran saying it is spreaded out as carpet, which means it's flat. And by the way, in Arabic the translation is not accurate. In Arabic it says bisat. It's true, the translation is carpet, but bisat mean a lot more than a carpet, which means it's just a straight face, like a table. And let us see that. So if the Muslims will take this one as a true, and this one saying that the earth have two east and two west as proof that earth is rounded. And by the way, Muslims today, when they translate to you, they try to lie to you, because if we go to the explanation, we will see that the Arab people at that time, they believe that there's two date, and until now this is true, like until now, the sunset time in summertime is different from sunset time in winter time. So they were saying, the verse in the Quran in here, if you go to Ibn Kathir, you will see it's talking, or Al-Qurtubi or Al-Jalalain, or any of those books, you will see they are talking about the summer and the winter. Look at it. It says يعني مشرقي الصيف والشتاء ومغربي الصيف والشتاء. So it's about the two different time of the sunset in winter and sunset in summer, and the different time between the time of sun rays in summer and sun rays in winter. And not only Ibn Kathir, we can go to all of them they agree. Go to Al-Qurtubi, go to Al-Jalalain, go to Tabari, all of them. They are saying the same, and this is according to Muhammad explanation. But suddenly, a Muslim, he want to make it that this is about, here we go, you see, مشرق الشمس في الشتاء ومشرق الصيف في الصيف. So it's about the difference of timing between the sunset in winter and sunset, and we can go to different, like you choose. We saw Ibn Kathir, Al-Tabari, we can go to Al-Jalalain, and you will see it's the same. We can go to Al-Qurtubi, it's the same. You see, I'm switching between the books. This is Islamic website, and this is their explanation. You see, رب المشرقين مشرق الشتاء ومشرق الصيف. So all of them, according to their prophet, agree that this is talking about the differences between the time of sun rays in summertime and sun rays in wintertime, sunset in wintertime and sunset in summertime. So why Muslims love to lie? Now let us go to the other verses. It's exposing how Muslims lie by showing that the Quran is saying that the earth is carpet. This is the verse, Surah number 50, verse number 7. And the earth we have spread out. Do you see it? Do you see it? So if the earth is rounded, why he's saying spread out? When the earth is spread out, if you go in the airplane right away, when you fly, right away, and you are not far away, you are just from the top, you will see right away the earth look like it's bending. You know, you will feel like you are falling down, you know, like the earth, the airplane is going to hit the ground. Why? Because the earth is not really, it's not a flat. So why he's saying here the earth is spread out. And by the way, in here it says وَالْأَرْضُ مَدَدْنَاهَا مَدَدْنَاهَا. It's extended and spread it out. Very clear. And if you read the explanation, I can go to the explanation. Here we go. Here Ibn Kathir or Al-Qurtubi or anyone you want. You will see exactly what I'm talking about. You will see the book talking about earth being spread out, and it is a flat like carpet. Okay? You see? We extend it. We made, you know, and he's saying وَفَرَشْنَاهَا. We made it like a bed. فرشناها. It's very clear. So ووسعناها وفرشناها. We made it like a bed, flat bed. You know, the bed is not the bed always had to be flat, right? I never heard about a bed is not a flat. Anyway, so, and in here we will see something really funny, but we'll talk about it later. You know, وأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج بهيج. And we made from out of this land or the ground or the earth from everything, from every good thing, you know, which means there's good, you know, 2 trees. What does that mean? Two palm tree, 2 banana tree, 2 olive tree, 2 what does that mean? Because the God or the one who made the Quran is stupid. He believed that's the tree, olive tree. There's olive tree is a male and olive tree is a female. So he's saying we made from every 2, male and the female. Actually, there's a surah about that. I will show you that later. God of Islam saying that we made from everything 2, male and the female, and which not true. And we will talk about it later. But now let's concentrate in here to prove that the earth is a flat. So surah, this is a surah. Let us go back to English. As you see, it's saying that the earth we spread out and we make it flat as a bed. Okay, and in here you will see too that the mountains is the one is holding the earth from moving. This is another stupid mistake in the Quran, but we will talk about it later. Now let us go to different surah, because there is many of them exposing the lies of Islam when a Muslim says that earth is not a flat according to Quran. Here we go. This is surah 15 verse number 19. It says again, and the earth we have spread out like a carpet. We are not making things up. This is your Quran. And here we go. We can go to different surah. Surah 71, verse number 19. And Allah has made earth for you as carpet spread out. Flat carpet. There's no, you know, carpeted carpet. We know, you know. So the Quran all over saying that. From why Muslims love to lie? Why? I will tell you why. Because, you know, first you don't speak Arabic like us. You know, ex-Muslims who they are coming from the Middle East, who they are Arab, they are the one who can tell you the truth. So they will tell you, you know, he is the Lord of the 2 East and the Lord of 2 West, and you don't know what does that mean. You, oh really? Oh, 2 East, 2 West? What 2 East, 2 West? There is no, first there is no 2 East and there is no 2 West. Because God, Allah is talking now, and God, he sees things from above. He is not a human like us to see East and West. And if God telling us about us, how we see things, you know, it's mean God, Allah, he don't know what he's talking about, because he said many times in different surah that earth is a flat. So Muslims, because they are weak, because they have no religion, because they have no faith, they are try to make from a shoe a boat. Do you know, if somebody have a big shoe and he dreamed to have a big boat, so he will say, you know, this is my shoe and one day is going to be a big boat. So Muslims, your shoe is a shoe and it will never be a boat, and your boat is empty, because your book is empty and only fool will believe in it. Jesus is Lord, Islam is false. I mean,